So hello guys, welcome to ARCHI tools. Today we will be going to learn how we can make a block in AutoCAD properly. So first of all, we have, let's say I need to make a block of this single sofa. The first thing we need to keep in mind is the lines which we want to change according to the layer. We need to keep it in 0 layer, and the properties need to be kept by block. Now I will click on B enter. I will give a name for that, single sofa. Next, it is asking for the base point. There are two options for us to keep the base point. One is by specifying on the on screen, and the other is through pick point. For selection of the pick point, we have to click on this, and then we have options to select a point wherever we want to pick point our block. So for my case, I want to keep specify on screen in tick mark, because sometimes we forget to click on this pick point, and the pick point is generated from the origin. So that will create a mismatch in our block. Next is keeping our settings. So for the architectural imperial unit, we need to keep a block unit in inches. Similarly, in case of decimal, we need to keep it in the metric system in millimeters, centimeters or meters. Next is our object. Please make sure the convert to block is tick marked. In behavior, I need to make sure allow exploding is provided. This will help us to explode the block whenever we want. Now click on OK. Now since we have made our block in 0 layer and we have kept the properties in by block system, if I will change the layer, you would see that the properties will change according to the layer. Let's say if I didn't have kept the line in 0 layer and in the properties in by block system, let's say I have kept this color in gray color, and the properties are by layer or something like that, we would find that if we change the layer, the property of this line won't change. So this is all the basic stuff of how we can create a block. Next is how we can create a dynamic block that I will share with you on the next video of mine. If you want, you can click on the link below and check on it. Thank you.